Land automation, existing spatial data based on the attribute information, the vector data we are trying to showcasing here. Considering the attribute specific feature, we want to the coloring. I want to get the specific the pattern. The means data, the specific feature. There are lots of features and data. Suppose I want to up to now the spatial data we are seeing that the what are the categories based on the specific feature. We're trying to get the spatial means land cover data, how the land cover is actually situated. We need to go for the detail about here the particular we are taking a particular village the land cover means as a scenario of the land the subsplits is a sub vectors as a fmb. Suppose we are taking a fmb means a sub boundary id the attribute id indication. We are go detail, we are check the village level the detailed information regarding attribute information. Here the attribute information is fine. We need to go detailing means the how many splits is happen, the particular the vector data means here the vector data is there how many subsplits here. I want to see the root node means the before partition how the land cover uh, cover is exit. Suppose I after that time the land the owner is changing means the land subsplits is happen. This is the child again. Lots of nested manner means this land cover having two partitions is happen again. A particular partition again it is so many partitions happen. The total four land splits is happen again. What is the time is split is happen. What is the user trying to convincing means the take care the based on previously we are seeing land hierarchy team the managing all data means the total uh, uh, the issue is that the data is one-sided control. Now with this the a farmer login get their land records on existing database at the village level or mandal level or district level state level. The land they belong to them is written their land cover details in the back to them. Here what are the here seeing the hierarchy the land splits the in the graph theory. We are considering as a the last leaf node as a the existing current landowner the before and on that the exchanges will history is getting here seeing that this so and so vector data means this particular the vector data specific feature the nested lands is generated. I want to go for the nested manner. This is one more another one. This is another one. And here also this is a particular survey and survey number has this much of partitions happen. Here we are take considering one more the specific to that land the how many subsplits is happen and we are go for the another specific means so and so number again subsplits is happen based on the specific time specific extend specific information we are get back. We are using graph theory. We are go back so many survey numbers. Finally village level how much income is generated at the financial year. The really the how many landowners is exchanging their land splits. We need to considering means we are considering the graph theory. We need to get the leaf nodes as a final leaf nodes. We need to take that financial year. We need to take a the land cover data details at the specific copy and how much income calculations is generated for the specific financial year. We need to take a consideration. Here the where the income is generated existing land cover we need to consider the income. Generally income is getting the specific attribute feature the land is belonging to the patta then only income is generated. Remaining three land cover here the income is generated on particular the piece of the attribute specific feature this place only the income is generated. Remaining and all income is not generated but these are the not countable on the income sources for the specific means the land owner is changing, but the income is not generated in the rest of the specific cases. We need to this feature and specific nested manner, the how many splits we need to consider the splits for this one only, the remaining and all it is not countable for the land cover splits is not required, means the income is not generated. We need to consider some of the numbers, the attribute specific numbers we are going this attribute information, it's not required for the remaining specific feature. I want to get all the specific feature, the income generated, how many income is generated, the particular feature split is a patta land as a specific feature, and the how much the income is generated, we need to consider. These are the entries is registered on the database. Uh, let's get back the information as a leaves for the various village level, the total village level, how many subsplits happen for the at the particular time period. We are considering the as a tree as a the logic of tree infrastructure, the leaf nodes as a current landowners remaining under the previous history, means previous data. We need to the previous history we can't erase. We need to exit the everyone else, means just like YouTube, the many land many videos exist, but video uploaded person only can be able to do the modification. Here also neighboring landowner itself they check for the other land information, what is the history behind the land, the owners is past period, the last land, but just like the transition, the past history time. Here also the how the chain tree previous we can get the information, anyone neighbor can check their information on their logins. Here we need to go for the algorithm is decide that specific information the leaf node from the entire village level at the specific feature in the patta land, how much splits so splits has happened for the particular financial year. I'm taking as a the red is means the past history, means already just like transactions already completed, but present the land is existed information as specific attribute vector data uh, uh, reference. I'm going for the automatically the my algorithm is get back the result and is showcasing what is splits, all those things. I'm going to specific feature. These are the final result for the this this place and this survey number. Uh, this much of Adangal splits is happen, means these are the boundaries splits, but we need to. I'm giving a random manner, means what is the uh, all those things, the indication regarding that one. Here also splits, and these are the two numbers for the this one is one number, this one is one more number, have a subsplits is happen. We need to consider these use cases, how the land splits, all those things. It will be changing based on the here we are taking the some of the particular hierarchy of team the maintaining the land details, means the VRO, MRO, RDO. These are the managing special land covers, the land cover details. Some of the uh, one-sided control. Suppose the issue is that the peak hours, non-peak hours, means the week offs we can't expect the service from the particular the hierarchy of team, and night time also we can't expect the service from those team. The alternately the land cover as a service to deliver on the internet, that it will be deliver who are the educated, they can be sort out the sum of the traffic to this service, means where the income is generated they settle the amount using payment gateways, settle to the land cover department, the amount will be settled to the land cover department, the services will be delivered to the farmer login as a, their land records fetch from the existing database, their land cover is existed, it is get back. means the past period is sale their land, means they already completed the reference of before the land cover, but he is a previously land belong to them. Future he is just like bank account, he is a money. Okay, is in a nil balance also no issues, but such a case as is reference the so and so information belong as first period in the land cover so and so is belong to them. Such a reference it will be fetch. And here some of the data exchanges means some specific relations, means this data is existed some specific operations, means agriculture related, and what is the harvesting will happen, what is the insects will be for the land cover, the particular land cover, the place in the how much in the village level, there are some of the we are taking consideration the fact of thing what is the type of use case we need to analyze for we are trying the neurons to analyze in the final the result is get back uh, how coming harvesting how it will be processed, such techniques is possible. uh, how we need to assign the land records based on the farmer logins, such a way that we can the manage the data as a land cover as a service as a internet we can deliver. Here using this services deliver using a land automation, some of the non-peak hours the employees will be strike for the land cover hierarchy team. We can't export the services will be delayed the parallel the maintaining the services from the internet. Sometime on the non-peak hours the traffic will be handover, means here the 5000 the land cover related means the crafting registration is required. Means what is the harvesting will be happen, what craft is take at the year of the cultivation. uh, at a time the 5000 people is reached to the man hierarchy team, at the same time it's not completely process those 5000 people's their requirement. We need to hand over the 5000 thousand request hand over to the internet as a land cover service. They can based on their login they can be deliver the service. A certain level the traffic will be reduced to the some other manner, such a way that we can see the land automation techniques fine. Here the only current land cover information that the we are get back. Here we need to do many more operations at the financial year and at the village level, how much the land related exchanges will be happen, then only we need to get the how much income is generated at the particular entire. We need to consider these are the remaining specific set of features we can't expect the income, means the landowner is cultivating, but any special feature, special income is generated. I think that based on the policy, it will be decided whether income. We don't know. We can't answer. We need to such a land cover operations we can do using use case for the meebhoomi. Fine, I'm giving conclusion for land related some of the algorithm specific to get the leaf nodes. We need to finally what is the abstract regarding the land cover information. Fine, I'm giving conclusion for this one. Suppose it's fill the entire. I fill the lamb specific subsplits for the some specific. Total n number of the vector data is available, but I'm not fill all details. I'm specific reason, a specific means the tree structure, the nested lands. I added few only. That's why it's not fulfilling the entire land cover and entire land cover history. It's not generated. The algorithm is to trace back what are the current existing village level existing data. It is get back their land covers belong to the farmer at the village level. We need to we need to take consider village, the village level the how much splits happen. We can get back here the some few number only splits only the data is registered, then only it's get the specific information. We need to I go for the I go for the give the nested comments. I want to give the comment one as a land. Suppose if the land is split three, split three. We need to go for here. The land is land split three. Farmer is login is giving the comment, is giving their opinion. The based on their photo is profile photo. It's get the comment. Suppose some other login person is giving a on their opinion, the comment too. It's that comment also added. That comment information, and so on. Then number of a particular land, then number of the feedbacks is getting. Finally, they review the financial year, what is the root cause, and uh, the necessities for the planning, the next approaches. When I'm giving conclusion.